Hey, you guys want to experiment? It's raining. I've always wanted to try this. Let's spiral up a shirt, throw some powder on it. Let's set it in the rain. And let's wash it out and see what it looks like. Ready? Okay, let me move this big boy out the way. Yeepity-beep. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, got my little tub. This is a spiral. If you don't know what a spiral is, I'll put a link in the comments below to a video that'll show you how to spiral. This is 100% cotton shirt. It's been soaking in soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, and spun out till really not quite damp. My washing machine does not like to spin just one thing, so we're moist. That's where we are. I'm just going to be carefree, haphazard, because we're experimenting, right? We've done hot water irrigation. We've done ice dyes. I did snow dye when we had snow. I think it was last year. My logic is with ice dye and snow dye, it's cold water. It's a cold water trickle, and it works. Why wouldn't it work with a light rain, leaving it outside for several hours? That's my logic, and it's probably flawed, but we're gonna see. Let's play today. Let's play. Colors. I want everything. I want everything on here. So I'm using the Dharma Trading fiber reactive procion dyes. I'm using hydrangea. I'm using raspberry. I'm using blue violet. I'm using fuchsia red, bluebird, parakeet. I kind of thought, I've already got rubber bands on. Here's my pie pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pie pieces. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6. 6 colors. Let's do this. Let's do this. We're going in with the raspberry. This raspberry is stunner. So we're gonna go with a big piece for raspberry. I'm gonna be liberal and just over the top with the amount of color I'm putting on. You don't care. We're playing today. Let's play. So there's some raspberry, and then let's go in around. We'll take it down a notch with the hydrangea. Gorgeous color. Just breaks out beautifully. So we'll go in here. Look how granular that is and how easy that just falls off the spoon. There's no clumping. Like if I'm gonna get little shakers. Oh, I went heavy there, which is fine. Which is fine. Oh my goodness, where are we going next? We got another purple, blue violet. Let's hit the blue violet next to the raspberry. Let's do that. Oh, hello, friend. Ooh, do you see this color? Do you see? Oh my God, this color. This color makes me happy. Yeah, go in there with it. Not as granular. Let's hide a little bit under there. Kind of clumpy like the raspberry. It's already breaking out, y'all. It's already breaking out. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so there's our blue violet. And then, so we've got the hydrangea and the parakeet and the bluebird and the fuchsia. So I think I'm going to take, the way this is breaking out with that light blue, I think we're going to hit the parakeet next. Do just a little sliver. Oh, it's very granular. It's a beautiful color. And it just, I don't know. I see my arms in the way because of camera angle. Let me do it lefty. So I want you to see how this just pours out of that. See how awesome that is? It's just a joy to work with when you're doing, you know, an ice dye or a hot water irrigation. Because it just, look at it roll. And this is breaking out to this. Beautiful. You're going to complement each other. Beautiful. And then I'm going to throw, oh my god, I just got all stacked up here. I'm having so much fun. I'm going to throw the fuchsia red right across from that raspberry. Ooh, hello. Pretty, pretty friend. I like this color because it is a, it's a beautiful, like a dragon fruit fire red hybrid, but it's not got an asterisk next to it, which means it's 2 teaspoons per cup. So it goes a long way. And it's beautiful and vibrant. We really glopped it on. But that's okay, because we're playing today. And we're going to go in, last but not least, with this bluebird. This bluebird is gorgeous. Open up. And this is a 1 asterisk. So it's 4 teaspoons per cup. And so look how gloppy. See that? I think that has a lot to do with that. So it's going to crumble on there. It's like not even wanting to come out the spoon. We're going to spread it. What's up, Cooks? You snuck in? I closed the door, but she came in through the bedroom door because it's not closed. My bee. Okay. Yeah, I'm just spreading it on because it won't sprinkle out very well. Oh, this is... Okay. I flip-flop between blue and orange is my favorite color. But I'm telling you, this has got to be pretty. It really does. It's got to be. It's tie-dye. It's tie-dye. It's always pretty. Okay. So, let me move this. Alright. Got some soda ash, some extra. So we're going to zhuzh it up. That's how we do. I'm going to be real liberal with this too. Got some clumps in there. It sat open for a minute. Do you guys have a preference with your soda ash? Brand-wise? Do you go with generic? Kind of curious. Let me know in the comments. Do you stand by one particular type of soda ash? Or how many have you tried? I want to know. Okay, that's liberal. And we're not going to turn it over. Because you guys know how I roll. We only do one side. And let it saturate through. Because then we get patches that are vibrant. And then patches that are very saturated and pale. And it makes a beautiful contrast. Gorgeous contrast. Okay. We have a drizzle. It's not a lot. It's not coming down heavy. Gonna be out here in my workstation. Okay, there's my rinse bucket. I think this will fit. We'll see. Oh yeah. If not, then we got it just like this. Hang on. I need 2 hands. We are. And then that will catch my drips. Alright. We're set up. And we're going to leave it in the rain. And I'm going to come back and check it and bring you with me every couple hours. And let's see what happens. Okay. We have been out here. This way. We have been out here for 1 hour. Hour 3. I moved it out onto the sidewalk because it was under the tree. Hey, we're getting some breakout. 3 hours. I missed hour 3. I had company, but here's hour 4. And we're going to let it set a little bit longer. It's getting dark. We're at hour 5. Okay, it's getting dark. It's been out here 6 hours. And I'm going to take it inside and leave it till morning. No. I didn't get it in time, and now it's pouring. okay. It's okay. And we'll rest inside with the heater running. Till morning. You guys ready? I didn't know what to expect. I didn't put my eyeballs on so I can talk to you. Do you see this? I didn't know what to expect. Do you see? I think we lost the parakeet in there, honestly. I think that the bluebird and the blue violet took over. Hey cooks, there's this little sliver of parakeet here. But look how it broke out. Look at that. Look how cool. And then this raspberry. And then that fuchsia red stick. Fuchsia red. And then I don't know if this is the bluebird. Or blue violet. I don't know. I don't care. Do you see? Stop. Do you see? Let's look at the back. So we did one side, right? Hang on. Oh, here. I want to bring it to you. It's easier. We did the one side, right? So on the back. So look at this front. Because it was, you saw how gloppy. Like it was really gloppy because I put it on there. And then like the rain was coming down. But it really wasn't dissolving. It just kind of sat like paste. Right? And because it sat like paste. Look, I mean it's like, it's just there. But when you go on the back, you have a little bit more of a breakout. So we're not losing that parakeet like we did on the front. This design is just kicking. But that fuchsia red went through and the raspberry went through. We got a lot of white and a lot of like blotchiness with the fuchsia red, but I don't care. I don't care. It worked. It's my size. I am so in love with this. I kind of want to just do a bunch on the table and spray it with the hose and walk away and see what that does. We'll do that on another day. I did this one with liquid in almost exactly the same colors as we did this one. And so you could see a better breakout of the fuchsia, of the bluebird, of the, I don't remember what this one was. Oh, here's the hydrangea, right? Hydrangea really never even showed up here on this one. It got completely mixed in. It's nowhere to be found. It's just, and I'm shocked, honestly, that it got took over by the other colors. But the hydrangea, cooks, I know, baby. The hydrangea is not a vivid color. So the hydrangea, so your lighter colors with doing a rain thing might not be best choice. Where you want something more vibrant and more bold that's really going to really latch on to the fibers. I'm not mad about any of this. I might have to put my makeup on and go to town and show everybody my new shirt. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I have such a blast doing this. I love sharing my life with you, which is why I changed my channel to Tish TV, because we don't know exactly what it's going to be. I'll make sure that I put this in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. And my channel's loaded with content. We know this. But I love when you guys come hang out with me when I do my experiments and do my things. Cooks can't take it. She's trying her best to get in this shot. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for experimenting with me today. Look what we did today. I love it. remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon. I bet I burn it. I bet I burnt my lunch because I forgot, because that's how I roll. Oh yay, no. Yay! I did not burn my lunch. Whee!